Well, I've just started sneezing again. And for some reason, iPhone has made it compulsory that you have to have a PIN code to open your phone up. So when it goes on standby, and you click on the home button, you have to put your PIN code in again. And if you don't fill your PIN code in again, you get all these options. Options for PIN code. Do not use PIN code. And again it says do not use PIN code. And you have to fill PIN code in to say you don't want a PIN code. Then you get a welcome screen. Get started, which is so annoying with this new iPhone update. Well, anyway, that takes longer to do, so I've put my PIN code back in again so I can get access to my phone quicker. So bloody annoying. Oh, excuse me. Bowed it annoying. Well, yeah, I'm just about to go to bed. Yeah, I still have pain in my left hand. My tendon. You see, it's still swollen. It's about 10 weeks old now. Well, it's not surprising when you use your hands all the time. It's never going to heal, is it? And the doctor said to me, well, I can give you an injection into your tendon. I said, no, thank you. No, thanks. I would rather take a painkiller. Which I don't take anyway, unless I really have a lot of pain. Anyway, I think my sneezing's finished. And this video will be following some other videos. I won't be posting it today. I'll be posting it in a few weeks after all my other videos. Love you all. Bye. Here we go again.